In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete pages in Webflow. If you need to clean up your site structure, remove an old landing page, or get rid of a page you no longer use, Webflow makes the process pretty straightforward. That said, it's important to pay attention before deleting anything, because once a page is removed and confirmed, you'll want to be sure it's the right one. To get started, head over to your Webflow dashboard and open the project where you want to make the change. Once you are inside the project, launch it in the Webflow Designer. This is where you will be able to manage the pages connected to your site and make updates directly. After the designer opens, go to the Pages panel on the left-hand sidebar. If you want to move a little faster, you can also use the keyboard shortcut P to open it right away. The Pages panel is where Webflow lists the different pages in your project. So this is the main area you will use for the deletion process. Next, look through the list and locate the page you want to remove. Depending on the type of page, you may find it under Static Pages or Utility Pages. Take a moment here to verify that you've selected the correct page. Especially if you have several with similar names, being careful at this stage can help prevent deleting something you still need. Once you've found the page, hover your cursor over its name and click the gear icon. This opens the page settings area for that specific page. Inside these settings, you will see options related to that page, including the option to delete it. Now click the delete button or delete icon. Depending on the version of the interface you are seeing, this may appear near the top or closer to the bottom of the settings panel. If you don't see it immediately, just scan the panel carefully and it should be there. After that, Webflow will show a confirmation prompt. Read the message before proceeding. Then confirm the deletion if you are sure. This final confirmation is there to help you avoid removing a page by accident. And that's it. The page will be deleted from your Webflow project once you confirm. Thanks for watching.